So hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-remove ng mga nakalogin sa ating Messenger app. But first, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan, for today's video, mag-open lang tayo ng ating Messenger account or Messenger application. Then after nyan, pagka-open ng ating Messenger, itap nyo lang yung 3 horizontal lines na nandito sa upper left corner. And then after nyan dito, itap nyo lang yung inyong name or yung inyong profile. And after nyan, dito tayo mapupunta sa mga accounts na nakalogin sa ating Messenger application. So for example, gusto nyong matanggal itong account na to. So itong pangalawa, ang gagawin nyo lang is ilo-long press nyo or i-hold tap nyo siya. And kung makikita nyo, may mag-a-appear dyan na delete button. So, ang gagawin nyo lang para ma-delete is i-tap nyo yung delete button. So, tap nyo lang dito guys yung okay para ma-remove na talaga siya sa ating mobile device. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-remove ng mga nakalogin na account sa ating Messenger application. If you have a question, click comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.